Hey guys, so this is where I grew up. This is Orchard Park, New York, and this is where we would always go sledding in the winter time. This is called the casino. Really just a magical place for me as a young boy growing up. As you can see, people, when there's snow here, people are sledding down this hill, which I'll show you in just a second. And my family lives really close to here, right down the street. So we would come here all the time. On a clear day, you can see the city of Buffalo. I'm not sure if you can make it out in the video, but I can see just a glimpse of some of the buildings. But yeah, this is, like I said, for me, this is a magical place, and it's bringing back tons of memories right now. We used to toboggan down these. You actually climb these stairs and then you get on a sled. It's called a toboggan. It's like a long wooden sled, and then you slide right down this hill to the very end, and then you keep going as long as the snow will take you. So I'm not gonna walk here, it's too wet, but yeah, this is pretty much the top of the hill. So this place is the casino. They have a wood burning stove here, and they serve hot chocolate, stuff like that. It's, again, they used to rent cross-country skis here. I think you could rent other things if you needed them. Just super magical place. I don't know if you can see how actually steep this is, but this hill is pretty steep. Trying to not get all muddy, but it's a wet day here. So I don't know if you can tell how steep this hill is, but it's got a pretty good grade for a snow. This is like one of the faster areas right here. And they used to put up like hay bales on the side, so, or straw bales, you wouldn't hit the fence. It looks like they just have a snow fence now, but this is the hill. Again, a view of the city on a clear day. It's a little bit foggy out today, hazy. And these are the toboggan chutes. Really just, again, for me, when this is all full of snow and people, it's a magical place. You got the casino. There's all kinds of stuff to do as a kid. Just play around here and have fun. Yeah, brings back a lot of memories. It's part of my childhood and something that I'll always cherish. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll put a link to this location in the description. If you ever want to check it out, I highly recommend you check out Chestnut Ridge Park in Orchard Park, New York. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And just want to do a quick some video of the inside. Oh wow, they actually have a fire going here, so that's really cool. They have this big wood burning fireplace. I don't think it was locked when I was here before, but it looks like it is now. And then, yeah, people would just like hang out at these tables and drink hot cocoa and some kind of snacks that they used to serve over here. Looks like it's closed now, I'm not sure. Oh, probably because there's no snow. So yeah, when there's snow, this place is packed. And I guess you can rent this this place here, reserved today, so they're gonna have a party here. So this is another room where they have, I remember being here where this whole place was packed. Like you couldn't get a seat. Wow, love this place. just getting tons of memories coming through my mind here, and really a place where I spent a great deal of my childhood here. So again, hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see mostly different content than this, but I was visiting my family over the Christmas holiday and just wanted to show you kind of a little bit about where I grew up and someplace that's super special to me. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.